This is the Spearhead shovel, just a great multi-purpose around the garden tool. See, it weighs 3 pounds, 10 ounces, 40 inches from end to end. Steel reinforced fiberglass shaft on here. We have a D handle on the end of this with a nice little padded grip on here. Feels pretty good. And we have an all steel blade. It's not razor sharp, but it's sharp enough to cut through soil and grass and dirt, which is what you want. On the foot pegs right here, we've got 9 inches across. We have 10 inches deep from the foot pegs down to here and 11 inches total right here. So you can get 11 inches down, and I'll give you a little demo of this, show you how it works, but it cuts through pretty good. It does all kinds of stuff. You can dig holes, you can cut sod, you can transplant small plants, flowers, medium-sized bushes, trees. Let me show you how it cuts, pretty good. I mean, barely have to put any type of effort on there. Let me show you that. And that just cuts right down in there. No problem at all with this stuff. It's also great if I wanted to remove some more sod out here. I can basically just run through this by hand. I got soft, wet turf right here. I don't even have to use the foot peg portion of it. I can just cut it down through. It just cuts it nice. So I got soft, wet soil here, but pretty nice. Just like a perfect medium-sized shovel. It'd be really easy for me to transplant this bush. Makes easy work of the smaller stuff. You know, you've got this blade that comes to a point. It's basically a transplanter, you know, in a sense. Perfect for that kind of stuff. Be perfect for transplanting this fig tree if I wanted to. I got enough shovel right here. I could totally get it deep enough to keep enough dirt with the fig tree to keep it alive. It's just a great, well-balanced, all-purpose shovel. Great for the garden, especially me in my townhouse right here. I love it.